I'm Chef Cory Bahr, and today we're talking shrimp deviled eggs. For this really quick and easy recipe, you're gonna need some boiled eggs, Duke's mayonnaise, prepared yellow mustard, some pickles. We're using our house-made bread and butter, but you can use whatever you like. Some chives, some dill, some Creole spice, and some hot sauce. So let's jump right in. Just take some yolks out. We're gonna cut ours on the equator versus the pole. It makes it more of a cup. I don't know if you're like me, but I grew up around the holidays. This is where I was. I was at the deviled egg plate, eating them just as fast as I could. This is enough to make 12, but we're just gonna put this together right now as it sits as a small batch. Just gonna give these a light mash. Now you can make them super smooth. I kinda like them a little more rustic for this dish because you gotta have that texture of the shrimp. There's our shrimp. We're just gonna give them a nice rough chop. We poach these in some crab boil because we like to add flavor at every layer. You could cook them how you like. Some of our pickle. That adds a nice bright acidity to it. We're gonna add a pinch of our chives. If you like green onions instead, that's fine. We're gonna add to this about half a tablespoon of yellow mustard, about a tablespoon and a half of Duke's mayonnaise, dash of Creole spice, 3 shots of hot sauce. And we're really just gonna combine this really well. Just combining. This just brings a really new level of deliciousness to a holiday classic. You see that? That's what we're looking for. Nice and light, creamy, smooth, with those beautiful chunks of shrimp and pickle. Wow, it's got me excited, y'all. All right, so let's plate some of these up. At the restaurant, we'll grab like a little bit of the base, pop it down on the plate, just like that. Stand up some of these cups, boom, boom, boom. Nice and easy. That kind of acts like the glue that sticks them. We're gonna do the 2-spoon method. You're gonna build it nice and high. So dill is a classic that most people put inside of the deviled egg mixture dry, but what I find is the fresh dill really outshines the dried stuff. We make up a toasted sesame and nori or seaweed mixture here that goes really well on it. We just sprinkle that over the top. And then we always like to add a lot more hot sauce to it. We feel like that makes it even more delicious. So there you have it. These are our Louisiana shrimp deviled eggs.